Hi guys, today I will show you how to install 4 games on one phone. 4 Clash of Clans and 4 Clash of Royals. So let's get started. So for this you don't need any third-party apps. You only need a Play Store or Samsung Galaxy Store, one browser, and one translator. So browser and Play Store or Samsung Galaxy Store you already have. So I will download the translator first. For me, the Google Translator is working the best. So I will download this one. Oh no, this is the wrong one. Let's go. Yeah, this is the right one. Okay. I'm downloading the Google Translator. Okay, it's here. So I will show you the links below in the description. I will paste there so you can open the links from there. So click on the link. Number 1 link will take you to this place. So click on the blue button, download the file, save the file, open the file, install it, open it, click on the blue button and click below the blue button. Okay, this time below the blue button. If you are not Chinese and you do not understand Chinese, just follow the steps I do. Okay, so now search here Clash. Okay, so number 1 you can see it's Clash of Royal, but if you cannot find it, so you go to the translator and search here from Chinese to English, Chinese and English. Okay, now search here Clash of Royal. Okay, so copy this one and paste it here. Now search. It's here. Okay, so download it. Allow. It's downloading now. It's downloading. Install. Okay, let's go to the second one. Now let's find Clash of Clans. I can see it here. So this is the logo, the picture, and if you cannot find it, you can go and translate in the same way and then copy it here. I will do it again. Clash of Clans. Yeah, Clash of Clans. Copy it, paste it here, and search. Oh my god. You can just write a Clash, it will come. Check down, scroll down. Okay, click on this one and you will find it here nearby this one. It's here. Okay, this one. So download it. Wait for it. Okay, now install it. Okay, let's go to the second link. I will put it here. Okay, 1. Now go to the second link. It will take you to this place. Okay, so here you can click over here or you can click here and down. download the file, save the file, and download, save. Now open the file. Next, install. Done. Okay, so it's here. Okay, now click on it, and in the same way paste here, that translation pasted here, search, and you will see the first one. Download it. And in the same way, you will see the Clash of Royale beside it here. So I will also download this one too. Okay, install. So okay, now it will be here. So now I got 2 and plus 1. Okay, now let's go to the link number 3. Click anywhere on the screen, here or here. Okay, so I'll click here, download, save. Next, open the file, install it. Okay, open, allow all the permissions, click on the blue, and here go paste again, paste the same Chinese. Okay, paste, search, the first one you download, and you will see the second one here. Download this one also. Okay, now I will go to the Galaxy Store and right here Clash, Clash, C-L-A-S-H, Clash, it's here. The second one is here. Okay, install both of them. Now I have 2 of each. Yeah, done. 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Done. Okay, now 3 of each. And now, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 Clash of Clans are here. One of the Clash of Royale is missing. Okay, and that's here. Okay, so you can play all of them at the same time. If you delete these stores, the one we downloaded, so you will be not able to update. So if you want to keep and play the games, you must have these stores like 1, 2, 3 with the Chinese name, and the one Galaxy Store or maybe Google Play Store. I don't have Google ID in this phone, so I just downloaded it from Galaxy Store. So, but you can also download it from Play Store. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.